Okay, good morning. Discuss natin ngayon electric field, this time sheet of charge. Okay, diniscuss na natin yung point of charge, then yung volume of charge. Sumunod is line of charge, then this time is sheet of charge. Okay, field of a sheet of charge. Another basic charge configuration is the infinite sheet of charge having a uniform density of rho S, unit is coulomb per meter squared. Okay, yung rho L, and then rho B, yung rho L para sa line of charge, yung rho B naman ay para sa volume charge, and then yung rho S naman is stand for sheet, ay coulomb per meter squared. Okay, unit natin dyan. Okay. Then, such charge distribution may often be used to approximate that found on the conductors of a strip transmission line or a parallel plate capacitor. Okay, kung titingnan nyo, yung discussion natin is from point charge. Okay, initially point charge, point to point. Then next is yung volume charge. Okay, ano ba nangyari sa volume charge? Pinagsama-samang point of charge lang. Regardless kasi at the end magsaserve lang siya as point of charge. Mas malaki nga lang yung charge. And then yung line of charge, yung pinahaba naman. Okay? Line of charge na at then parang volume din siya pero line of charge naman, series. Then ito naman ay sheet of charge. Then from the sheet, pwede rin siya maging volume pero kaya lang is sobrang lapad nga lang siya. Mas malapad siya. Okay? And ang advantage of understanding yung field of sa sheet of charge is ito rin mismo yung yung concept para doon sa capacitor and then yung transmission line. Para sa transmission line and then para sa capacitor. Okay? Derivation para sa sheet of charge. Okay. Read natin kung paano makuha yung formula yung infinite of charge. Okay. In this illustration, okay, itong part line ng to, yan, yung line na yan, actually is, dito tayo mag-i-start na line of charge lang siya. Okay? Infinite line of charge, which is, ito ay rho L. Lang sa, yung line of charge na yan, okay, dahil ito ay involve itong axis na to, kung ano mga axis yan, line of charge lang yan. Pero this time, dahil sheet of charge siya, okay, i-involve ngayon natin yung isa pang axis. Example, in this part, okay, involve natin isang axis, okay, showing na ito yung x-axis, okay, then ito naman isa para sa y-axis. Assumption lang, hindi talaga to x-axis, okay, ito isang axis, then sunod natin is, expand natin ito, dahil from line lang siya, one dimension, ito this time magkagiging two dimension na. Kaya itong lapad na to, okay, from line of charge, then, magiging sheet of charge na to. Ito, composed na to ng maraming charge. Kaya, noon natin na ito yung rho S o surface charge density. Okay, surface charge density. Unit natin is coulombs per meter squared. Again, from line charge, okay, magiging sheet of charge dahil mas malapad na to o mas pinalapad na to. Okay, from point na to na kung saan isosolve natin kung ano yung na may measure na electric field, okay, from the source of charge na sheet of charge. Okay, for example, pag i-connect natin yan, ito yung sa coordinates, sa Cartesian, ito yung sa x-axis, y-axis, and then z-axis. Again, natin na on here, okay, wala dito sa center na to, ito yung y sa origin, sorry. May y tayo dito. And then yung width, okay, nagbabago-bago yan, kaya dy, yung differential y. Nagbabago-bago yan. Okay, depende. Then, distance is from the x-axis and then yung y-axis. Then, yun yung r natin. Okay, considering yung r. Again, yung r natin, based from sa Pythagorean formula, r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. Later, magagamit natin yan. Then, yung electric field na na-experience sa from sheet of charge ay i-derive natin from the electric field na na-experience from the line of charge. Okay? Kaya kunin natin yung E is from the line of charge. Again, yung formula natin for electric field through line of charge or from the line of charge is rho L over 2 pi epsilon 0 R. Okay, epsilon 0 R. And then, yung line of charge density, yung rho L line charge density, ay equal doon sa sheet charge density times differential nung Y. Okay, paano nangyari yon? Kasi nga, multiply natin ito. Okay, yung sheet charge is coulombs per meter squared. Multiply natin sa dy, which is ang unit na to ay in meter. Therefore, ang magiging unit na matitira natin is coulombs per meter, which is yun yung unit natin dyan. Okay? Yan. Then, based dito sa line, dahil nga pinagbasehan is line of charge, therefore, differential lang din yan ng DES. Okay? Based dito. Okay, kunin natin yan, sheet of charge. Dahil kukuha lang ulit tayo ng part dito, ng width. Okay? Part lang tayo yan ng sheet of charge, hindi doon sa kabuuan. Ang same with the infinite line of charge, ito rin ay infinite, kaya yung unit na, ang limit natin is from negative infinity to positive infinity. Same with them, kaya ito two-dimensional na to compared dun sa last derivation natin na isang dimension lang, ito two-dimensional na, kaya 3 X and Y, consider na natin. Actually, 3-dimension na. Sorry. Solve natin yung electric field na na-experience from the sheet of charge. Kaya, DES natin to dahil from the walang tayo part dito, DY. Then, yung DES natin is rho S, sheet of charge, dahil substitute lang natin yung rho L dito. Then, DY over 2 pi epsilon 0 square root of x squared plus y squared. So, nanggaling ito, yung R. At yung R, ang value ay ito. Okay? Then, ito yung DES natin. Then, same with the line of charge. Okay? Same with the line of charge. Kukunin natin yung summation ng x and y component. Okay? Based from the DES o DES na to o yung na-experience dito kung ano yung summation dahil same with the line of charge doon sa isang axis magkakancel lahat ng value dyan dahil infinite yan kaya meron lang tayo isang matitira na axis na kung saan yun lang yung masosolve natin and this time kunin natin siya in terms of dy. Okay? dy y yung kukunin natin na value then same with the line of charge, kunin natin yung differential ng EX is equal to DES sin theta. Ba't naging sin theta? Pwede rin naman ito maging cosine theta. Depende kung paano nyo kukunin yung kung nasaan yung angle. Pero this time, kasi mostly sa ibang materials, cosine ito. Okay? Pero ito ginawa ko sin theta based dito sa illustration natin dahil ang kinukuha nga natin is DEX. Okay? Ito yung DEX. Ito yung angle na kinuha ko. Ayan. Yung doon sa angle is, ito parehas lang, angle. Okay. Ito yung opposite niya, then yung R, kaya sine. Okay. Pero kung in terms of Y naman ang kukunin mo, okay, magiging cosine naman yan. Pero ang hahanapin nating variable is X. Kaya lang dito ay dy, Y yung kukunin natin. Kaya dapat ito yung matira natin. Kaya kung natin in terms of DEX, kaya sin theta. Okay? Sin theta yung ginamit natin. At yung sin theta, okay, pag sinubstitute natin yan, okay, yung electric field through surface charge, sheet charge, from sheet charge, equal to summation ng DEX, okay, tigil ng DEX, kung ito yung summation lahat yan, is equal to substitute natin yung DEX is rho S o sheet of charge dy over 2 pi epsilon 0 square root of x squared plus y squared times yung sin theta. And yung sin theta, so katawa, okay, opposite over hypotenuse, yung opposite natin is yung x, then r is equal to square root of x squared plus y squared. Okay? Then, labas natin yung constant, yung rho s, and then 2 pi epsilon 0. Then, matitira na lang is, na differentiate natin is yung x dy over x squared plus y squared. X squared plus y squared lang yan. Dahil pag minultiply natin nito, ay magiging 2 over 2 raised to 2 over 2. Kaya, cancel na x squared plus y squared. Then, kapag in-integrate natin yan, ay medyo mahaba yung integration nito eh. Pero mapapalabas natin yan na kapag in-integrate natin yan, ay makikita natin ito sa trigonometric, sa integration table na ito ay equal sa inverse tan y over x. Wherein na, since na hinahanap natin is y, ay yung dy, yung y dito yung in-integrate natin, yung x dito ay constant. Okay? Lalabas yan na itong x dy over x squared plus y squared ay equal sa inverse tan y over x. Yan, y over x. Medyo mahirap, pero makukuha yan kapag in-integrate natin yan. Kaya lang, focus lang tayo sa electric field. Okay? Limit is negative infinity to positive infinity. Then, substitute natin, okay? Rho s 2 pi over 2 pi epsilon 0 tangent, inverse tangent infinity over x minus inverse tangent negative infinity x. Since na x na to is constant, compare naman dito sa infinity na sobrang laki, therefore kailan to, mag-serve na to na infinity, and then ito naman ay negative infinity. Then yung inverse tan infinity, okay, inverse tan infinity, and then inverse tan negative infinity, meron tayong value dyan, which is, ito ay, ang inverse tan infinity ay equal to 90 degrees. Kaya lang, i-radian na natin ito, okay, in terms of pi, dahil merong pi tayo dito. Okay, kaya magiging pi over 2, o 90. Well, ito namang negative infinity, inverse tan to negative infinity is negative pi over 2. Then, simplify, ito ay magiging pi over 2 minus, magiging minus times negative plus pi over 2 ay magiging pi na lang. Then, pi, may pi dito, cancel. Kaya may sagot natin is rho s over 2 epsilon 0 o yung permittivity. Okay? Permittivity. Kasi, again, sa infinity of charge, tulad discuss natin, ginagamit ito para sa capacitor, may iba na nga itong, malaki ang chance na mabago itong permittivity. Although ang lagi natin ginagamit is permittivity of free space, be careful na lang sa given kung ano yung value ng permittivity na gagamitin. Okay? And then, itong formula to ay kinonsider na natin yung unit vector. Okay? Compared dun sa line of charge, kung nasaan yung, ito yung hint, kung nasaan yung line of charge, yun yung i-discard natin. Okay? Sabihin, i-discard natin yon. Same din naman, dito sa sheet of charge, sa sheet of charge, kung nasaan naman din yung, kung nasaan yung sheet of charge na plane, dahil plane na to, i-discard din natin siya. Okay? Then, yun, similar formula, silo. And then, ito naman yung summation ng electric field kapag marami yung source na sheet of charge. Sample problem. Okay? Okay, 3 infinite uniform charge sheets of charge are located in free space as follow. Okay. Rho S1 o sheet charge density na 3 nanocoulomb at nasa say negative 4. Okay. Then, Another sheet of charge na ang value is 6 nanocoulomb meter squared na nasa Z1. And then yung another sheet of charge na ang value is negative 8 ay nasa Z4. Find electric field at the point A2, minus 5, 2, 5, and negative 5. Okay. In this case, yung sheet of charge daw ay nasa 4. Okay, nasa Z4. Therefore, yung sheet of charge ay nasa XY plane. Sa XY plane. Dito, nasa XY plane din. Dahil nasa Z1. At itong pangatlo, nasa XY plane din. Dahil given yung 4. Okay. Yung heat, kung nasaan itong point, therefore, nandun siya. Okay. Yun lang consider natin. Kung nasa plane siya, i-discard natin yon para doon sa line of charge. Okay? Solve. Total electric field, dahil tatlo yung source of charge, 1, source charge 1, sheet 2, and then sheet 3. Then, unit vector, dahil from sheet 1 to point A, sheet 2 from point A, and then sheet 2 from point A. This time, wala na tayong radius dito o distance. Okay? Compared dun sa line charge, okay, sa volume charge, sheet, sa point charge, merong distance dito. Wala. Sa sheet of charge, wala na. Okay? Then, substitute lang natin 3 nanocoulombs over meter squared. 3 nanocoulombs meter squared over 2 epsilon 0. Hindi binanggit, kaya permittivity of free space gamitin natin. And then, yung gagamitin natin para sa unit vector ay, again, kung ano lang yung involved ay matitira. Kung nasa ang plane man yung iba, hindi na. Okay, example dito, dahil from 1 to A, therefore, A minus 1 sa sheet charge. Okay? Kaya, negative 5, saan nanggaling negative 5? Ito, dahil Z na lang, o sa K, Z axis. Okay, negative 5. And then, yung 4. Ito yung 4. O, mas madaling hit, okay? Kung nasaan, kung ano lang given dito, yun lang yung automatic na gagamitin dito. The rest, hindi na i-consider. O, mas shortcut yan. Kaya, negative 5 minus negative 4, kaya 12 plus 4, okay. Then, absolute value nito, siya. Then, same din naman para sa second sheet charge, negative 5 minus 1, negative 5 minus 1. Okay. Then, next is, para sa sheet 3, negative 5 minus 4. Negative 5 minus 4. Kaya, negative 5 minus 4. Okay? Then, kapag sinimplify natin yan, okay, ito ay magiging sagot is negative 1. At pag sinolve natin ito, okay, negative 1. Okay, 1 naman. Kaya, negative 1 times 1, matitira lang is negative 1k. Negative 1k. Dito naman, kapag sinimplify natin to, negative times negative, negative minus negative, okay, kaya negative 6. At kinuha natin yung absolute value, ang magiging sagot naman ay 6. Okay? Kaya negative 6 over 6, negative 1. Then ito naman, negative 9. Then ito, magiging 9. Okay? Kaya, negative 9 over 9, 1. Ano napansin nyo? Okay? Ang magiging sagot lang lagi dito ay 1. Okay? Sa unit vector, ang magiging sagot lang natin ay laging 1. Either na negative or positive. Yun na lang ang tanong kasi depende dito sa vector. Okay? At isa lang lagi yung matitira na vector component dyan. Either na I, J, or K. Depende kung nasaan yung sheet of charge. Okay. Tulad niyan, nasa Z, therefore K lang yung matitira. Again, laging 1 yan. Laging 1 yung magiging unit vector dyan. Depende na lang kung negative o positive. Kaya be careful. Then kapag minultiply natin yan, ito, saka ito, sagot natin is negative 169.4K. Ito para dito. Negative 338.8K para dito. And then, 451.77K para dito. And then, pag pinagsama-sama, sagot natin is negative 56.5K volts per meter. Therefore, ito yung total electric field na may experience sa point A, dahil doon sa tatlong sheet charge. Okay? Another problem. Okay? Same problem, same given, same lang din yung sheet charge value. Ang nagkaiba lang is, binago natin kung nasaang plane yung sheet of charge. Okay. Para sa sheet 1, sa negative 4 axis, nasa x-axis, yung sheet 2, nasa y, okay, at point y, and sheet 3 ay nasa z. Okay. Therefore, sa sheet 1, nasa x, y, z plane yung sheet 1. Yung sheet 2, nasa x, z plane. Yung sheet 3 ay nasa x, y plane. Okay. Natin yung pagkakaiba doon sa previous problem. Find electric field at the point 2, then 5, then negative 5. Okay. Same din naman. Then, same din, dahil tatlo yung source of charge natin, tatlo yung sheet of charge, kaya kunin natin lahat yan, isolve natin. Okay, 1 to A, 2 to A, and then 3 to A. 3 nanocoulombs, 6 nanocoulombs, and negative 8 nanocoulombs. Okay. Sa unit vector, actually dito lang naman talaga tayo medyo magkakatalo. Tulad ng diniscuss natin sa plus problem, ang sagot lang lagi natin dito is 1. Either na negative 1 or positive 1. Solve natin. And then, depende kung nasaang ano yung natira doon, yun yung solve natin. Example dito, nasa x, therefore I, yung sinusolve natin. Kaya so, kung natin ito is positive 1i. Dito naman j, kaya 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1 j, kasi nasa j yung sinusolve natin. Discard yung nasa plane, kung nasa ang plane yung axis, yung sheet. Okay, then dito dahil nasa z, therefore k yung titira natin, kaya negative 4 minus 4, okay, square over square root negative 1. Okay, negative 1 times negative magiging positive. Then 3 nanocoulombs meter squared I, then 6 nanocoulombs per meter squared over j, then plus 8 nanocoulombs k, at sila ay 2 epsilon 0. Therefore, pag sinunod natin, 169.4i plus 338.8j plus 451.77k volts per meter. Therefore, ito yung total electric field na may experience from the 3 source of sheet charge. This time, yung sheet of charge na to ay nasa iba't ibang plane. Okay? Unlike to sa previous problem. Okay? Nakita yung pagkakaiba? And, practice, and then thank you, and thank you.